Turning Point USA's tour draws a crowd to the OU campus. Google is donating $600,000 to Stillwater schools for energy upgrades and tech programs. And Oklahoma health professionals participate in an interim study on lung cancer screening. Details coming up on the KGOU AM News Brief for Friday, October 17th. I'm Nick Daniels. Turning Point USA's fall college tour stopped at the University of Oklahoma Thursday following the recent death of founder Charlie Kirk. Governor Kevin Stitt spoke about Kirk's legacy and ended his remarks with a prayer asking God to, quote, give us boldness to face the enemy. English actor and comedian Russell Brand also spoke, sharing his spiritual journey and taking audience questions. Brand's trial over accusations of rape and sexual assault is scheduled for next year in the UK. The OU Daily reports the event was moved from McCaslin Fieldhouse to the larger Lloyd Noble Center to accommodate high attendance. Security was tight and no major issues were reported. Official attendance numbers have not yet been released. New State Superintendent Lyndall Fields led his first Career Tech Board meeting Thursday. Oklahoma Voice reports Fields has pledged to continue attending the monthly sessions. This contrasts with former State Superintendent Ryan Walters, who attended only one meeting this year. Fields, who also chairs the Career and Technology Education Board, said collaboration between Career Tech and the Education Department is essential. Career Tech's director said Fields' presence will help the agencies align and strengthen programs. Stillwater Public Schools is getting $600,000 to spend on energy efficiency and classroom technology after a donation from its new neighbor, Google. Grayson Wheeler has details.
$500,000 will go toward retrofitting school buildings, parking lots, and athletic facilities with energy-efficient lighting. That's expected to save the district more than $300,000 each year. The rest of the money will go toward Chromebooks for kindergartners and first graders and a computer lab for the high school's college and career program. The donation comes after Google recently announced it's building a data center in Stillwater. Under its agreement with the city, the tech giant will not pay property taxes, but it will pay the city more than $100 million in community betterment payments and franchise fees over the next 25 years. Google already has a data center in Pryor, where it's also invested in nearby schools and nonprofits. I'm Grayson Wheeler.
Oklahoma health professionals gathered at the Capitol Thursday for an interim study on lung cancer prevention and treatment. State Impact's Jillian Taylor has more on the state's poor outcomes and how it hopes to improve them.
The study was hosted by Lindsay Republican Rep. Cynthia Rowe. The nurse practitioner says she wanted to explore ways to catch lung cancer sooner.
We see it a lot in primary care.
Oklahoma ranks toward the bottom of states in early diagnosis and survival. Dr. Samid Faruqi, a pulmonologist, says the answer lies in helping more people get diagnosed earlier.
If we improve lung cancer screenings, we can definitely improve the number of years that Oklahomans are living and the quality of life and the way that they're living those years.
The conversation explored local efforts to address lung cancer and how other states like Kentucky are successfully expanding access to screenings. For State Impact, I'm Jillian Taylor.
And you can read more about this story and other Oklahoma news headlines at kgou.org.
Sources and methods, the crown jewels of the intelligence community. Shorthand for how do we know what's real? Who told us? If you have those answers, you're on the inside, and NPR wants to bring you there. From the Pentagon to the State Department to spy agencies, listen to understand what's really happening and what it means for you. Sources and Methods, the new national security podcast from NPR.